Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to briefly explain my crypto investment strategy. It's called the Vault method, and you can find out more about it at the link you see on your screen. So the Vault method was designed to be simple, low effort, easy to follow, easy to track, and low stress. I basically don't want to be worried about my crypto investments, and I just want to follow a plan, stick to it, wait 2 years, 3 years maybe, and then hopefully by then the market price would have gone substantially in my favor. Okay, so I don't want to be stressed about it in the meantime, and all of these considerations have gone into the development of the Vault method. So let me talk a little bit about the capital allocation component. I first decide the total amount I wish to invest in crypto. All right, so this is 100% of my total intended investment. I take that 100% and I split it up into 2 batches. So batch 1 is 50% of the total investment, and batch 2 is also 50% of the total investment. All right, so 2 equal batches of the full amount that I wish to invest in crypto. So batch 1 will have half in Bitcoin and half in Ether. Batch 2 will also have half in Bitcoin and half in Ether. Very simple. Okay, how do I next look to deploy batch 1 and batch 2? So this is where we look at when to enter, right? So for batch 1, I will only enter after prices have fallen at least 35% from the all-time high, and that is when I start dollar cost averaging up to half of my total intended investment. Okay. For batch 2, I will only consider deploying batch 2 after batch 1 has been fully deployed. Once that has happened, I will wait for prices to move significantly above or below the average entry price of batch 1, and then to start dollar cost averaging. So the basic idea is that I want to diversify my entries and not just go in one shot with my full 100% capital. Okay, and you'll see how I do this in the subsequent videos in my YouTube channel. So one thing to note, I'm mentally prepared for paper losses of 50% or more. Okay, crypto tends to be one of the higher volatility asset classes, and so I'm prepared for wild swings in the market. And part of the reason why I'm investing in crypto is because of the high volatility, and over the next few years I'm aiming for quite substantial return of about 5x my initial investment. Okay, and I want to reiterate that this is a long-term investment. So you can be looking to trade crypto in the short term. Some people do that quite successfully. Not many, but some. But for me, crypto at this point is still a long-term investment. I'm not looking to actively trade in and out. I may sometimes look to trim my positions depending on the situation. But generally, this is for me a long-term investment. Okay, so again, if you want to find out a little bit more about how I approach this in terms of mindset and in terms of strategy, check out my link over here. Okay, check out my page over here where you can read more about my investment strategy. Okay, and over the next few months and maybe even years, I will be updating my entries and the way I think about my investment in relation to how the market moves. So catch up with me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and from there you can see how I enter and exit my investment positions. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like in this video, leave a comment as well. I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.